Amazon Associate. You already know Amazon. There are millions of products, I must say, and you can sell all. If you go to Amazon Associate, you can see it's affiliate-program.amazon.com. You can sign up here, and then you recommend sharing millions of products, and then you earn up to 10% commission of whatever has been sold on there. Now, this is quite easy to do.
Okay, so what would be like a really good, simple, free $100 a day strategy that you could go ahead and do if Amazon affiliate marketing is something that you would like to do, but you don't want to go ahead and have the patience to do all these things that, you know, like for example, these people do that literally pull in 20 grand a month, and this girl does who literally pulls in $100 a day, right? Well, this is kind of like a unique way because I've never seen anyone else talk about this before, and you get also make more income because you're not just dependent on Amazon affiliate marketing. So check this out, right? Where can you go to get traffic to your products for free so that you could go ahead and make money? Well, the obvious one, it's literally in front of your face, it's Amazon, right? Literally hundreds of millions of people go to Amazon and they're already wanting to buy things. So it makes sense if you get people in the buyer's mentality to go ahead and, you know, get them to go ahead through your Amazon affiliate marketing, right? So what you would actually do, check this out. Notice if I typed in the word grill, all of these things pop up because Amazon is a search engine. Same thing like Google, same thing like YouTube, same thing like Pinterest. The only difference is there's certain keywords that have less competition. Like if I just type in grill mat, right? And you can see when I just type in grill mat, you can see that it's super competitive with 9,000 reviews. It wouldn't make sense to go ahead and do that, right? But if I type in, for example, free weight loss, and this is like a little hidden keyword that you see that people are actually searching for because it's actually recommended, and I go ahead and click on that. Check this out. There's literally this book right here that's free, 69 reviews only. You're not going against something that has like 6,000 reviews. And you could see that this is 13 fat blasting hacks for rapid weight loss, and it's only 15 pages. It's only 15 pages, okay? And this is literally where the Amazon affiliate marketing comes into play. So you go ahead and, for example, instead of creating a blog article, which, you know, you would have to start a blog and it would take money, you can literally go ahead and create a free ebook on Amazon, reaching Amazon Prime buyers for free, and you can literally just go ahead and write the post there and then rank for certain keywords on Amazon in very uncompetitive niches, right? So you go ahead and create something like this. Now notice it says 13 fat blasting hacks. So guess what you probably put in each one of those hacks? An Amazon affiliate link, guys. Check this out. If you literally go to, you know, Amazon or affiliate-program.amazon.com, I can literally type in the word superfood and put all of these superfoods on hack number 1, hack number 3, hack number 4, hack number 5, right? And I can get a percentage from Amazon in affiliate marketing for these products that you never have to create. Like all these products you never have to create, and yet Amazon will literally pay you commission to go ahead and do that. But what if you want to make even more money? Because the downside with Amazon affiliate marketing is you get a low percentage of commissions. What if you want to go ahead and recommend something and make $100? Well, the fact that you went and created this thing on, you know, like for example, Amazon, right? You can literally put whatever link that you want in one of these 13 hacks. You know, that's literally like $100 a day at that point for free traffic, okay? With Amazon affiliate marketing, and that's double dipping because you could use Amazon affiliate marketing, but remember, because you own this thing right here, you could change it up anytime that you want. You could put other offers in there. It doesn't just have to be Amazon Associates. You could use Amazon Associates, right? Like put them in so that you send them over to like trusted sources, like for example, Amazon. But of course, add your profit maximizer by adding other products that you get on ClickBank, right? And you're probably wondering, well, how can I go ahead and create these ebooks? Well, it's very simple. Where I went to go ahead and sell my books for free is literally kdp.amazon.com, where you can literally self-publish ebooks and paperback books for free with Kindle Direct Publishing, reaching millions of readers on Amazon, right? And I literally went and did this for my book, and it didn't cost me any money, yet I make money because I go and do that. And in my book, I literally have links sending them to other places that literally create money for me.